Okay, so let's start. What was that? Let's start the second day creating this. Okay, so let's start. What was that? Let's start. Okay, I have to remove audio from Twitch, otherwise it goes back as an echo. Got that. So now we go on with the website, which started yesterday. The implementation started yesterday. Design was started a bit earlier. So I have the Zeppelin Figma, which is darker. Yeah? Oh, the real website is much darker, isn't it? And also this not center. Maybe the first thing you can check is that one. Then I got windsurf in here. And I want to see, can I make my capture screen a little bit bigger than that? So it's okay, isn't it? Yeah, maybe I need to capture a little bit more. So that was screen. I'm not sure how to do that. Okay. So, okay. This should be a little bit smaller like that. And set it up. Okay. So why is this is the website? Why is the title not centered? Why is the title not centered? So the title in the HTML is here. Top bar, or yeah, top bar. No, it's the top bar is this one. Here box. Here you go. H1. So I think it should be centered within the hero box. H1 takes the whole, it looks like H1 takes the whole space. So probably it's enough that I say to center H1. So I have to find where I define H1 here. Text align, center. Okay, and save. Good. And now that's center. The other thing, I think it's a little bit too dark. The overlay is not bad, but it could be a little bit less. So that's a hero. Let's find it. Let's find it here. I don't find. Here. And somewhere there is a blur and there is this 0.5. If I do 0.2, okay, it becomes less dark, which is okay. I like this more. So we have done all of this, so we have to do the next section, which is very similar to the previous one, or content section. So go in Zeppelin, and that's the next section. I need this little image. So click on it, get the WebP version, save it. Didn't tell me where I put it. Let's find assets, images. Right. So it's here. We have the bigger images that we don't need. So we just need this bank webp. Okay, let's remove the -1. Okay. And next, we need the phone. Let's get it. Now it should be exported correctly with the frame. Here you go. We just have to remove the bigger images, keep only the smaller one. Okay. So we can start to work on this overlay. It's not overlay, how do you call it? Section, on this section. So go here. Is similar to content box budget. Then set this on context box account. Let's call it. So now the phone is on the other side. So actually, let's copy this bit. Okay, and see how it looks. Then we change the image. Okay. Okay. Let's change the background to be this color. I think it's called action color. So, right. In the CSS, content card, content P, budget card, budget. Where does this get the color? Content P, budget, content box, content. Ah, there you go. So the thing is, they are both content. I remove the color from here. Then I want it for. Oh, this is what's happening now. I don't want to see the website. I want it for that. So to see the background color, I have to also temporarily remove the image. Hmm. Well, I removed the background while it's still there. Okay. Content. Okay, let's look at HTML more. We have the class content. Okay, let's look at where are we. Ah, content box. What's content box? Ah, okay. There is still a background. Okay, why is it removed? Let's remove it. Okay, finally remove the background. Now, we remove from content box because I want to put it specifically in two different colors for the two boxes. Oh, that's not fine. What? Background, no inverted secondary, but top bar. Okay, perfect. So now on top of that, I want to put the image so the background shouldn't be visible, but in case the image doesn't load, at least I have the fallback. Okay, that's great. Same thing for account that I just created. So budget is here. And maybe I will target as content budget, just to make it clear. It doesn't change anything, but just for me to remember. And so similar, same budget card. If I want to, yeah, I can do that. And I go here, everything is content. Let's add it. Okay. And okay, double check again, nothing changes. That's good. So we need the background for content account. Right. And that would be, yeah, not that one, but right, it's a good start. Action. I want the action color. Right, perfect. And now on top, we put the image, which is not this one, but it's a good starting point. And we copy this. Okay, good starting point. I wonder, this content budget. I can do content section and factorize this bit so I don't need to repeat it. So I can delete this below now. Okay. Now I need to change this image to be the other one. Do I have it already or as a file? I don't know. Maybe. Here you go. Let's see if I have already first before I download it. No, I don't. So let's get it. That's great. It's already scaled by Zeppelin. So let's go in back action because there is the action color. Back action. Oh, BG action. Okay. Here it is. Fantastic. So now I don't like that I can't scroll past. Right. Now, Let's add some blank space at the end. Do that. Just some margin on the footer, yeah? So the footer margin bottom, how much you want to add? 40 pixels? Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it didn't work. So I have a footer here. Oh, it's not the footer, it's just footer, it's an item. So go back here, and now I have a little bit of margin at the bottom. Is that in the screen? Hmm. No. Think I need to look at this. Okay. There, a little bit of white space at the bottom. Good. So once this is done, I need to do a similar, so I can initially copy that and then change. So this card, copy, I put it before the phone. Okay. I'm looking at Zeppelin instead of the web browser. Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of work, but it already kind of looks good. Ah, but there is a card shadow here that shouldn't be there. Let's see why. Ah, because this is defined as a card, but it should not be. What I target as card? Uh, yeah, box shadow. That's weird because I have a shadow here. No, that's browser. Ah, I don't. I just really have the shadow on the wrong place. Should I just remove the class card from here? But what will I break? Let's see. Probably will break some. Remove the class. Oh yeah. Ooh. Move it back. Hmm. So we need to keep that. But I don't like to call it card if it doesn't work like a card with a shadow. So what I'm gonna do is change that class name to basically it's like the icon plus hmm, how can I call it? Content box account content left. That's not quite the right name. It's also on the right. I already called content box that one. Content description, even though it's not just a description, also the icon. Content group is a group of the icon and okay. So now I call it content group. I broke the layout. Because that should be content group. Content group. Content group. Yep. That was adding a little bit of margin on that, isn't it? I think now the box shadow is just not in the right place. So remove it and we say we have to add the card again, content card box shadow. When we go back to HTML, card. Right. It's quite. Ooh, the other one has to be fixed. It's quite subtle, but it's probably good that it's subtle. Let's try to make it a little bit stronger. So let's make it very strong just to see the effect, and I will dial it down. Yeah, definitely there. Let's try 5. Still too strong. Let's try 3. Okay, it's definitely visible, but it's more subtle. Maybe I want the same on the image. On this, maybe on the phone too, who knows? Okay, that's good. Let's fix the one above that we just broke. I think I can fix it just with HTML. I just need to add the card here. No, that's not just it. And the content group instead of card. Okay. That fixed it. That fixed it.